Hello guys, welcome. This is a very useful Pandas functions for everyday data analysis tutorial. Today, I'm gonna talk about where function in Pandas. The Pandas where method is used to check a data frame for one or more condition and return the result accordingly. Let's assume you have a data frame, a large data frame, and you want to check the data uh, based on the condition. So this where method is very useful to check your data frame, and it's going to return the result accordingly uh, the condition. By default, the rows not satisfying the condition are filled with non-value. If the condition, this is actually the general syntax of the where method. The where method takes some parameters, but the most important parameters in this case is condition. So the condition going to be evaluated here. If this condition is true, it's going to keep the original values of the data frame. Otherwise, it's replaced by other value or replaced by none, not a number value across the row, which means that rows not satisfying the condition. In this, to just understand, let's try to see an example. Filter the data where age is greater than 30. For example, let's assume you have a data which contains age distribution, and you want to filter or check the data which age is greater than 30. So this is your data frame, and this is the condition. The where function takes the condition. You can actually apply one more conditions. In this case, I have just apply one condition. So this is if a statement edo. So you can apply any condition in this function. If the data, the age column, the values of age column greater than 30, it's going to be keep that value. For example, 50 is greater than 30, that is true. And for example, at row 3, the value is not greater than 30. So it's going to be replaced by none, not keeping this value as it is, because the condition becomes false. So it is not satisfying the condition. So it's going to be replaced by other value, or it's going to be non-value across the row, or the row going to be none. And 40 is greater than 30. That's okay. It keeps this as it is, and 20 is also not greater than 30. So it's going to be replaced by none across the row. This is the result you get. So you have only 3 rows that the age is greater than 30. At row 0, at row 1, and fourth row. So other conditions are not satisfying. That is false. So it's going to be replaced by non-value, or you can also replace by any other values if the condition is not satisfying. So the where function can be used to replace certain values in a pandas data frame. For every value in a pandas data frame where condition is true. Otherwise, it's replaced by non-value or other value. So this is very important function for data analysis. So if you are working on data analysis, so the where is very, very useful for just checking your data frame, the values of your data frame, and filtering the data from that data frame, because data analysis is one of the data analysis steps is filtering, aggregating, cleaning data, whatever. Those are the data analysis sections. So you can keep learning more about data analysis. So every day I just share you very important functions, techniques of data analysis. Subscribe, like, share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.